inflation is probably likely to be higher than what we've been used to over the last 10 to 20 years. That doesn't necessarily need to be a bad thing to the extent that that's part of the green transition. We expect that to actually be associated with higher productivity growth, higher growth in general. Shouldn't necessarily be problematic. The bigger concern is really the uncertainty over the supply side and the fact that that can be prone to much more volatility than in the past, in which case inflation volatility will be much higher than it has been in the past, which will be complicating for central banks. I think the most important challenge is for central banks and governments to work together to try to coordinate monetary and fiscal policy. Without that, we will have a lot more inflation volatility than what we need.